Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Update to iOS 14. 3 or later and verify free storage because ProRAW files are larger. Once done, open Settings and tap Camera. You need to access formats immediately. Make sure Apple ProRAW appears as an option. This is why updates matter. The toggle is only available with the right firmware. From camera settings, you'll quickly enable the ProRAW control so the camera app can capture 12-bit RAW images. Don't skip the format screen. It's the gateway to ProRAW. Now activate ProRAW in Settings. Under Camera Formats, turn on Apple ProRAW and confirm the control is visible. Next, open the Camera app. Look for the RAW button in the top toolbar and tap it to enable ProRAW for a specific shot. Use photographic styles or adjust exposure before shooting because ProRAW preserves far more tonal and color data for post-processing. Once the RAW indicator is on, you'll capture uncompressed sensor data, ideal for heavy editing, so remember to toggle it per photo to save space. Finish by taking sample frames and reviewing them in Photos. ProRAW images show RAW and occupy more space. If the RAW button is missing, restart the iPhone, reopen Settings, and verify iOS is up to date. This usually restores the control. Make sure low power mode is off because some background features can affect camera behavior. Finally, edit ProRAW DNG files in Apple Photos or supported apps like Adobe Lightroom. ProRAW gives you maximum latitude, which is why confirming app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.